Ooh, I adore you. I came first, but you're ahead beyond your years. People try to find this thing you've always been. I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. When you pray or answer, you walk through life just like a dancer. If I had my way, every day would be a parade. When you pray or answer, you walk through life just like a dancer. If I had my way, every day would be a parade. Ooh, I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. And I pray you never lose your style. I'm so proud of all that you are. Ooh, I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. When you pray or answer, you walk through life just like a dancer. If I had my way, every day would be a parade. When you pray or answer, you walk through life just like a dancer. If I had my way, every day would be a parade. Ooh, I adore you.
With the power vested in me by Dominican rum, and Lord knows we've had a lot of it, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jonathan, you may now kiss your wife.
I adore you. Ooh, I adore you. I adore you. Ooh, I adore you.
I'll speak for everyone when I say we are so proud. You both are so loved and cherished. Thank you for letting us celebrate you this week, and cheers to forever. We love you.
But I'm going to do it in Swedish, so we do it and say, Skål!